guys. This is just like the one where I hatched the unicorn out of practice, but it's like a better chance. Cause I just opened a big gift, and look what I got. Let's go outside and try it out. I got the legendary choo-choo train, guys. Woo! This is not fake. This is real. I opened a big gift and got it. Then now I can ride around with sprinkles in it. Let me get sprinkles out. Oh, and also I made the Rainbow, the other unicorn, full grown. I can't believe we got it, guys. I was screaming so loud. Whoop, whoop. We're going. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cool. I never got to have the choo-choo train. And I traded my banana car. I want to get all the legendary. Guys, if you didn't know, my goal is to get all the pets in the world. And my goal is actually to get all the toys in the Adopt Me too. So my cat needs to go to sleep because it's nighttime. So bye, guys. Bye.